Hi guys, I'm back and I'm happy that you are here as well with me and my nail fantasy. Let's have fun with our nails. Today is Unicorn Day and we're gonna have a nail art collaboration on that, organized together with my darling friend Mary. And if you wanna see all the magical designs that came out of this, just stay tuned. Today is Unicorn Day and Mary came up with the wonderful idea that we do a collab for Unicorn Day on our nail art and Instagram collaboration page that we run via Instagram and via Facebook. All the info on those groups are in the description box below. Everybody is welcome to participate to all of our nail art collaborations. Just check out our page on Instagram and the Facebook group. All the collabs will be announced there early, so you can join and you can inform us. And if you have any questions, you can always contact us via Facebook or Instagram. So Mary wanted to do unicorns, and you have seen all the magical designs already in the gorgeous collab that Mary did for us. I will also pop it in the end. All the ladies that participated, all the channels, all the Instagram nails are also in the description box below. And I would like to thank all the ladies that participated. Magical designs, I love them all. You did a great job, ladies. What am I gonna do today? Unicorns for me are rainbows, skies, blue skies, because they fly around in the blue skies. And that's essentially what I'm working with. I started out with this Lost in Paradise. This is a gorgeous linear holo. I think you can see the rainbows here. Lost in Paradise. This is from Emily de Molly, a light sky blue holographic polish. Then of course I put over a top coat. I use the C&D Vinylux today. I'm gonna do advanced stamping today on my ring finger and on my middle finger on my thumbs, and that's always easier if you have a sticky surface, and the Orly Bonder gives me that. Then I'm gonna use two stamps today. One to apply glitter, I'm gonna come to that, and one to do the actual stamping. This one is from Beauty Big Bang. I'm gonna use for my rainbow these creative nail stickers from She Modern. These are flexible and reusable stencils, and I have done a review on those. I can link that in the end, so you can check that video out if you haven't seen that. It's really fun working with those stencils. I have seen this method to do a rainbow on your nails on Nora's channel, Nuck 57. I will link her also down below. She did a gorgeous design for St. Patrick Days with a rainbow, and when I saw that, I was immediately, I have to steal that one. So Nora, thank you so much for coming up with that. I will use the foil glue to apply the glitter with these stencils, and I will stamp today with this gorgeous blue metallic Beauty Big Bang stamping polish. Here it is, very nice. And I will fill in my unicorns with this glittery white polish from BU. This is called Angel Wings. And we're gonna use a stamping plate from Moyu London, the Hipster 22. This one is also one I have reviewed. You can check that out. And here are the two designs I'm gonna use. This one here with the Believe, and this one with the different unicorns here. Gorgeous designs for Unicorn Day. And I'm gonna fill in my little unicorns with this dotting tool. And I have here some holographic glitters from We Hard Nails UK. Unfortunately, they are not available anymore, but you can use any glitters for something like this. And I have the 5 colors of the rainbows here. I'm gonna use a brush for clean up in my cuticle area for glitters and such things. That's what I'm gonna use, and you're gonna see me creating my design now. I've already started with my base, really pretty, from the Emily de Molly here. So let's do unicorns and rainbows. And as always, I will speed up the video, so sit back, relax and enjoy, and I'll see you afterwards with the finished design. So guys, I'm back. I have done all the stamping, all the rainbows, and they turned out really pretty this time, if I may say so. What do you think? With the stencils from She Modern, this was much better this time. I used a very thin layer of the nail foil glue only. Then I didn't let it dry as long as the last time. I only let it dry for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then I could also feel that it was not as sticky. It was still tacky, but not as sticky as the last time. And then this was easy to work with these stencils. Look how pretty that comes out. You can see all the colors of the rainbow really nicely separated. I had a much easier time to put the glitters on with the stamper. You rub them in and then they shimmer nicely, and you can use all kind of holographic glitters on that. With the advanced stamping, also good tip to use the Orly Bonder on your base, because this gives you a sticky finish. Your stamping will stick to it, so you can take your time, you can let them dry, you can work on several stickers, on several stampers, and then just pop them on your nails. They will stick, no problem. It worked out really nice. One more thing with the stencils, when you use them, it's the same as for when you work with nail vinyls. You have to make sure that your base is completely dry, otherwise you rip off your base. This is gonna happen no matter what you do. For this finger here, I had to do that twice actually, because I had a little nick in the base and I redid it, and then I used the stencils too early. It was not completely dry, and when I took off the stencil I ripped off the base, so that's not something you want to happen. I did all my other fingers then before and only finished this one at the end. That worked out nice. I have some really great shots in the sunshine. We had some really much needed sun today outside, so you can check that out. Really gorgeous holo here on my nails, and I love the combination of the rainbow and the unicorns. What do you think? For me, this is magical. Thanks again to everybody that participated in our collaboration. You're fantastic, talented ladies, and we love to have you every time. And if you want to join us, no problem, just check out our Instagram. Every information is down below, and we love to have you. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you have any further questions or comments, just leave them in the comments box below. And if you enjoyed the video, I would love if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be a bubble with my picture popping up at the end. Just click on that. Doesn't cost you anything, and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a magical time wherever you are, and ta-ta till next time.